Good morning, party people. Yes, I am still on the road. I am in Lexington, Virginia. Today I'm headed to Richmond, Virginia. And got a lot of things done for Dominique yesterday. Got an oil pan drop, seals replaced, got a wheel hub replaced, a few other things in the middle of that. And I am headed to Richmond today, like I said. Now, I'm getting a few strange messages. I don't do strange on the road. So, I also want you to know that I don't schedule meetings and business connections and repairs on YouTube. You have to go to my website, robertspinner.com, and send me a message or call me. Call or text if you want to connect. That's the only way I can keep track of this stuff. I can't find these messages. Hey, Robert, call me when you come to... Man, I can't find it unless it's on my phone, call, or text. So, get that. I'm also going to link videos at the very end of this one that tell you how I work while traveling. I made a series of short videos to tell you how to contact me, tell you how to get your parts, tell you how funds go, stuff like that. Now, I mentioned yesterday morning that we had some issues getting a room. You know, I do my best to get affordable rooms. They're making that a challenge. It might lighten up some with this Delta variant taking over. Diane and myself are traveling. We both have been vaccinated, and we are starting to wear masks again because it's just a situation where people are spreading this variant, and we don't want to get it and give it to you unbelievers, you people that don't want to be chipped. You know, we've been chipped all our lives, so we're okay with it. You know, heck, people are following me on YouTube. They might as well follow me when I use the bathroom too. So anyway, that's where we're at with that. If you are in between Lexington and Richmond, or within, an hour, maybe 2 drive of Richmond, and you need some help, let's try to get together. Contact me. If you're not too far out of the way, maybe we can meet somewhere. Maybe you could come to me, save us some time, save a few bucks. After that, I'm slowly heading up north into the Baltimore area, and then I gotta head back out to Cincinnati. That's my schedule. I'm not in any particular rush, but I do want to get people's cars running that are down and out. You know, we got a guy in Springfield, my buddy over there in New York. He's got several cars, so I'm not too much worried about him. And then get these manual swaps done, and then hopefully head out west for the winter. You know, I'm not trying to get stuck in Ohio freezing or nothing. I'd rather be out west, hanging out with people with Volvos and traveling out there. So if you guys got some things you want done, let's start coordinating that stuff, getting your parts, and taking care of that. Hopefully this winter, California won't be shut down, because a lot of you guys are already chipped. So anyway, that's where I'm at. If you want to connect, call or text. Check the videos that'll pop up at the very end here. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Fresh new stickers, good for another 5 years. Kicking off the morning, about to sort some stuff out, load up this car so I can hit the road. And it's starting to rain. Look like it's about to rain hard for a little bit too. So I'm gonna get inside, take care of some stuff inside, because I don't have the cover of the garage to do this in. Man, it kind of stinks. I was ready to get with this. So let me get inside and take care of everything I need inside, then come out here. Hopefully the rain will be past by then. Oh, I hope this don't last long. Finally getting on the road for my 6.5 hour drive. 2:30. Man, it's lunchtime. Need to go find some lunch. We are here with Dominique's S70's. He's got a white one here. It's got a tick in it. The tick is intermittent lifter tick. usually ticks when it's warm, not when it's cold. When the engine's running, you open up the oil cap and you look down in there, and it looks like air bubbles are getting up in the engine. That is a sign that your oil seals in your oil pan are bad, probably cracked, and that causes low oil pressure, which causes ticky lifters. That's your warning. That's a good warning from Volvo. You need to take note from that. I don't know if Volvo meant that to be a warning, but it is a warning. So I don't have a recording of it ticking now. I might have a year or so ago had a recording of it, maybe last year or sometime. But anyway, we're going to drop the oil pan, change the seals in here, and hopefully cure that. Definitely don't want low oil pressure in your engine. That reduces lubrication, circulation, and will cause you to lose the engine sooner or later. Got the oil pan down. The seals actually don't look broken. I pulled the one out of there. That seal doesn't look broken. That seal wasn't broken, and the seal in the tube wasn't broken. So maybe they were just shrunk, not broken. Let me get that one out. Get this oil pan mating surface cleaned up. Brake parts cleaner. I don't know if it's important to mess with that or not on the non-turbo car. Anyway, we had a couple of bolts that didn't come out clean. End of the thread kind of boogered up a little bit. I have no idea why. I had to go find another bolt. And one of the bolts I have is a little short. I don't like that. So, still has a good reach on there. So I'm not going to worry about it. But let me go ahead and put this anaerobic sealant on here and get this thing installed. I got the sealant and the stuff. The sealant only is supposed to be good for so many months. So you want to try to use this within a year. Said this car is running a little sluggish compared to the other one. So we're checking timing. We're just a little bit past the mark there. Just a little bit past the mark there. Almost dead on. Having a hard time seeing the marks down here on the crank because of the type of tensioner it has. Hard time seeing the mark down here. Do 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 do. Do do. Almost see. Serpentine belt anyway. I'm gonna pull the serpentine belt so I can check that. Round 2, checking time. Crack in the way or dirt in the way. Alright, that looks kind of right on the spot. Replacing that leaky rear cam seal. Woo woo. Hub on the right. As we turn right, the noise goes away. When we straighten out, the noise comes back. When we turn left, it kind of grinds even more. Here grinding. That's the right wheel hub on the front. Now you gotta really wiggle them back and forth to get rid of it. Slow down and wiggle it for them. Go back and forth from lane to lane. See the sound disappeared. Come back. Disappears. Comes back. Disappears. That's how you tell which side it's on. We're going to pull and replace this wheel hub that's grinding the whole time the car is rolling. See how loose that is. You got to take the wheel off. take it loose from the CV axle. May not have to take the CV axle all the way out. Just take the nut loose, remove the caliper, remove the rotor, then remove the wheel hub. May have to remove control arm as well. Holy cow, I don't know if that screw didn't go in or if it's too long. Gotta do something about that. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.